Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashion.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this bridal blouse designing sleeves pattern with a simple technique and using a normal stitching. So as my blouse is designed, I'll be using honey color stone lace, also gold color chain ball lace, these two for the highlighting of and again the stone lace. This you can also try following these instructions for the already stitched blouses also. Like this we need to apply the glue lines 3, and now on these 3 lines I'd be sticking first line with the chain ball lace, second with the stone lace, again with the chain ball lace. So this is how firstly we have to highlight the neckline. Next to this I cut the chain ball lace of 6. This is how it looks, also with the 9 balls like this. Now I'll show you how to give the glue lines. Ensure to maintain the equal gap, and one with the big line, one with the small line. Like this we have to apply the glue lines. This will make your work easy, but if you know working with an RE needle, use the sugar beads instead of this chain ball lace and follow the same instructions and give the joining with the sugar beads instead of this chain ball lace. So like this we have to create one big line, one small line, and on the small line I'd be sticking this 6 chain ball lace, also with the bigger one with the 9 chain ball lace. So alternatively we have to stick one after another, and the materials I'm going to use for this designing is easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops, or the links also provided in the description box for your convenience. Most of them were asking about this chain ball lace, that it will fade or after washing the quality of this chain ball lace is reducing, but I recommend to use the quality one which is now available in the online, that I have given in the description box for your convenience. The quality one per meter it's of 20 rupees and the ordinary one is of 5 rupees. So there is difference. If you want to maintain this for the long run, you should use the quality one, and for complete creation hardly it will take 4 meters for the blouse, also with the sleeves designing. So spending a little we are creating this designer neckline, and it's completely dried now. Now I'd be using golden beads. This is to stitch on these ends. Also I'd be giving an invisible stitches on this chain ball lace, also on this neckline with the 3 lines together I'd be giving the stitch. These patterns are very creative, and friends, this will not take much time of yours. You can try this on your old blouses to turn into designer blouses. Here at the tips I'd be using golden beads for the stitching, but if you want to have the look of very expensive, you can try with the stone work which I've shown in the pic. You can try anyways to get the decent look. Though we are using the quality chain ball lace, but you should follow some instructions while washing. Preferable is the dry wash or the light wash. Avoid scrubbing or wet washing. So for each and every line I'd be giving an invisible stitches, you can clearly see here. And that's it friends, this is how we have to create this neckline. These type of designer necklines are very creative, and this will turn your simple blouse to unique designer blouses, and the final outcome is in front of you. See how simply it's been done. And friends, that's all for now. For watching this video on with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.